If you are home and you are wondering how do I prepare cassava dough, I am going to take you through the stages in this video. You are watching this video right now because you are either thinking of preparing Banku or Gari and you want to learn how to prepare cassava dough on your own. We have our cassava in water because we have failed to grind it today. We have to preserve it, and the best way to do that is put it in water and make sure the water fills to the brim of the container. Then the next day we can grind it. If you have not grinded it, the next day you make sure that you change the old water to a fresh one, and at least don't let it sit 3 days. Maximum of 3 days you should grind your cassava. It is recommended you grate your cassava for gari the same day it is peeled and drain the same day, then fried the following day to maintain the sweetness and freshness of the dough. Since you are looking for a way to do this home, I am going to give you a quick method of doing it. You get your own grater. I did this myself, and I'm not going to use this to grate my cassava, but if you are home and you just have something very small to grate, why not just have your own grater, or go to the market, get a grater and sit up, just rub it over the rough edges, and you are good to go. This is it. If you are planning on grating for gari, you should note that gari, you don't grate for to get it so smooth. This is one of the differences between the cassava dough for Banku and Gari. Gari, you don't grate the dough to be so smooth, but for cassava dough you have to grate it to be smooth. Anyway, if in case it is not grated smoothly, you don't have to worry. After grating, straight away you pour it in your sack or cloth, whichever whatever you have to drain it, and then you tie it very well and put a stone on it or any heavy material on it, or object on it. Then you wait for a day, two, go check it up and make sure it's dry. Then that is it.